Oh, ho, ho! Oh! We don't know. Fighting like a big rainbow. You know you can only keep, huh? If it's a big rainbow, we got to keep that sucker.
Coming up quick.
What is
Somebody
it?
stomp the hole here once you don't touch the line.
What is it?
What do you do?
What is it?
Get ready. He's gonna make another run, probably.
Oh yeah, he'll make another run. It's a big rainbow, I bet, Joe.
He's gonna make another run.
I think. We got about a 16-inch rainbow, maybe 17. No, that's 16, 17. So,
Good job, buddy.
rainbow trout. We're on the Kenai Peninsula fishing in a little lake up here in the mountains for lake trout. Oh, now it's working good.
Yeah, baby.
He's coming in to scavenge off of us.
Like a trained professional, man. Oh, did you just swallow?
Joe's got one.
Oh, rainbow.
Yeah. Rainbow.
Look at my little jig setup I made. It likes it.
Want about a 3-inch piece.
Let's catch some lake trout.
Like that.
Should we throw this back?
Nah. And keep a few of them.
Joe, you got a knife that sharp?
I think it is a blackbird. Oh, that's a raven.
That's a raven too.
Oh, look at the other one. Oh, he's got a big one. Oh, maybe it is big.
Oh, Joe.
That drag's kind of chintzy. He likes this setup, boys. They like it as soon as I drop her down. Unless you get... Whoa.
Oh, Joe's got a big boy.
Ooh.
New leader. I think it's a big rainbow. The way it was running like a rainbow. It's a big rainbow.
Oh, pretty one.
Takes the lead.
Oh, he's in trouble.
19-incher.
Yeah, boys.
That's a keeper.
Here it comes.
Whoa, look at this.
Love that. Look at that. See it spinning? That means that fish is running with it right now.
All right, let's see what we got.
Let's give him a chance to swallow it. Ooh.
What's it feel like?
Feels like a fish.
Yeah?
Feels like a little burbot. Not big.
You feeling bigger?
Nope, not that big. Something small. Coming up.
Burr butt.
He's at the hole.
Burr butt.
It's a little lake trout.
Oh, it's a nice one. It's the biggest one yet. Pull it up. Pull it up, Bubba. Nice little laker. Yeah. It's a beauty.
It's a beaut. Look at that. Got a circle hook on there. I should
Biggest fish so far. Might have to eat that one.
Actually, he's a good eating size, isn't he?
Yeah.
Let's take him.
Oh, and then it comes out.
You want to eat a lake trout?
What?
Okay. Lake trout.
It's the biggest fish so far. Only a 3-pounder.
Good eating size.
Beauty day. Just up here in God's country, catching big hogs.
No big hogs yet.
Jake's got one. There
There
goes.
we go. The bobber's slipping down now. It's a rainbow. Let him go.
Pull him up. Let's see what we got. Nice rainbow.
Nice rainbow, yeah.
Oh, I just can't see it.
Yeah, you just can't see it. Whoop.
You knew that would be a rainbow line.
No. There we go.
In and out.
In and out. Good release. That's a good release. He'll do well. He'll be fine. He flopped out of my hands though when I was trying to get him going.
Now we got to find some more eggs.
Yeah, we got lots of eggs.
All right.
All right.
On to the next.
On to the next.
Flag!
This hole's been productive. We just got to go out a little bit deeper. I don't think he's on there, Papa. Is he on there?
I don't feel nothing yet. Have a lot of line out. How deep is it here?
Oh, it's deep here. It's 25, 30 feet deep. 20, 25, 30.
Nope.
Drop it back down.
No, we're taking it up.
It just had a fish on it.
Had teeth marks all over.
Put lake trout.
Yeah, that thing had big teeth marks on it. Why didn't he take it?
Maybe they like the hooligan better.
It looked like it was in his belly there.
Tape it. Put it down. Kid you not, after a few minutes, went to go set up. I got a flag already. Could just be that I set it wrong. I don't see this spinning. So, I'll wait for this to spin. What do we got here? Looks like we had a bite, a flag. But no take. We'll leave it down. We could take it again. Could have just been the wind. You can feel the bait on there still. He's down there. We'll probably be back for it. Don't set the hook, just pull.
Ain't nothing in here.
There was no bites?
No. Nah. Just gonna check the bait, send her down, I think.
kind of a blizzard today. Not terrible, but windy and a lot of snow coming down. And we're getting ready to head back, but this is where we stayed. It's a little forestry cabin. Really cool little cabin. We got a wood shed and outhouse in back. Little wood stove. Trout Lake cabin.
Stop running.
Just finishing up with packing up. Basic kitchen area. Table. There we go. Looking out at the lake. Joe's packing up. Basic similar design to our cabin at the mine.